Hello guys, pardon for not being uploading a recent video due to my previous editing app. Well, I'm currently unable to purchase some certain amounts of money. I mean for me only, but this isn't my topping. So let's go for our free or no limit for using this app editing. For simple making your own watermark, let's proceed to step 1. Click the side icon settings on the left. Then simply click channel and go to the branding section. These sizes must be 150 times 150 for GIF or PNG format. Creating and adding video watermark is a great way of settiness on your own blog. Play a little music for a while. End of step 1. So we are now on step 2. Better search an application for editing your own image photo that could be ever fitted on the size banner. So now we are in conclusion end of step 3. Save it now on your own smartphone or even using computer file, then upload like a previous on step 1. Thank you guys, hope you like this another long run video. Have a nice day watching ahead.